Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all. Today let's discuss about a very important new moon on 25th of June in Gemini Adra Nakshatra at 9 degrees. The key factor with this Gemini new moon is its tight conjunction with Jupiter at 9 degrees. Also Pluto is at 9 degrees, but it is 8th from this Gemini new moon. Jupiter can give some positive new beginnings in having some wise communication, developing new ideas, making new social connections, some fresh learnings, and also some short trips. Expect a very curious, some fast moving, very expressive but dual, and a little confused energy with this new moon. The time is great for networking, teaching, learning, starting a blog, channel, or learning something new, maybe a language, some software, or some starting some writing. Also, strengthening sibling relationship is a key factor here. Clearing up any misunderstanding and gather your scattered thoughts for some productive work. Beware of some over optimism. As with Pluto in the 8th to this new moon, expect something unexpected and you may express things that you have never thought that you would. Issues around controlling, power, your hidden fears can come up. A complete mental detox or a deep self reflection can help here, as we are also dealing with Adra's, Rahu's energy. See, Jupiter is also in the Nakshatra exchange with Rahu, Lord of Adra, where this new moon is happening. So Jupiter and Rahu both has a major influence on this new moon and any event that happen in the next 15 days. The very next day of this new moon, moon is conjunct Mercury in Cancer, the lord of Gemini, which can be very transformative, as this moon opposes Pluto. The conjunction of Mercury and moon is opposite Pluto. You may get some clue from here which direction things are moving. More of there is some unknown fear about future. As moon moves forward crossing Mars and Ketu, some buried truths can come up. It can give us some clarity, especially in our documentation work, our communication, work or job related things, or anything related to authority people can come up. Something old, rigid, or power based may no longer fit in your evolving mind now. Any adjustment may feel most uncomfortable to you, but it is necessary for your growth. There can be choices, multiple choices, or crossroads with some indecisiveness. So think twice before making any big decisions and stay away from gossips or any misinformation and double check everything. See, everything is very expansive, optimistic, and highly mental. Jupiter Rahu both magnifies whatever they touches. Jupiter gives wings to our thoughts and Rahu gives courage. We may suddenly feel very bold about expressing ourselves, launching a project, pursuing a fresh but rebel idea. The way you speak, write, or think can open many doors. But be careful of critical conversations, even that is possible. There is also a risk of over promising, overthinking, or stretching the truth. So stay grounded. See, this isn't any normal new moon. This is happening in Adra Nakshatra, a star known for deep emotional cleansing and mental breakthroughs. The symbol is the teardrop, a diamond, or a storm with water element. There is power to make efforts and achieve gains through struggle. Adra represents the storm before the calm. It is the emotional and mental unrest that clears the path for transformation. It symbolizes the tear that come from intense release, but also some renewal and growth that follows in Punarvasu Nakshatra. The deity Rudra, the fierce form of Lord Shiva, represents destruction of falseness and the power of cleansing also. Rudra is not cruel. His destruction is purposeful, meant to purify and realign with your path of destiny. Adra offers emotional honesty here. Talk your truth. Once false ego is broken, Adra gives rise to clarity with wisdom. The water element, our emotions play a major role, as the truth must be processed emotionally first and not just intellectually. We have the next full moon in Sagittarius, Purvashada Nakshatra, another water element nakshatra. So the process of cleansing is going to continue and will reach at its peak with this Sagittarius full moon. The current new moon is the starting point and will prepare us for that final purification. When a new moon happens in Adra Nakshatra, there is a chance to shade our illusion or outdated thought patterns and face the hard reality, grow stronger through it. It is best for breaking bad habits, releasing grief, guilt, finding clarity in all our confusion, and have emotional and mental healing. Adra may give discomfort initially. But its purpose is good. To break first and then open your heart and mind, clear the air, and invite a higher, clearer version of your own self. Whether we are feeling restless, inspired, or simply seeking some direction, this new moon offers a chance to plant some new seeds. Start fresh conversations from here and make transformation from the inside out. Let's explore how this energy may unfold for each zodiac sign. Check Gemini and Sagittarius axis in your chart and Aquarius sign where Rahu is placed, and these signs will have some major transformation mentally here. Start with this new moon. Sagittarius also is impacted equally by all the connection that it makes with Jupiter, Saturn, and also this new moon has a straight aspect on it. Start with Aries. For Aries, expect some fresh clarity around communication, your travel plans, documentation, or having some new learning. You may be drawn to speak your truth or finally address a misunderstanding and talk clearly. Some internal restlessness may push you to move either physically or mentally. Use this energy constructively to start a blog, study some new course or some creative project and clear out any mental clutter. This is the best time to stay grounded and use your past experiences, your learnings to deal with any challenges that you might face. Taurus, your focus turns to finances, your family, and your self worth. A new idea or some new opportunity may come up related to your income, but it demands lot of efforts and even compromises. Emotionally, you may realize it's the time to break away from the old money patterns or some emotional attachments that you have been holding up. This is the best time to review your spending habits. Create a financial plan that feels you more secure yet flexible, and let go of comparing yourself with others. Gemini, this is your personal reset. You may feel raw, original, but clear, ready to start again with some new identity, a strong voice, and a new way of thinking. Jupiter does give you confidence, while Pluto can give some deep transformation that might feel little uncomfortable but necessary for your growth. This is the time to reinvent how you express yourself within your close relations and adopt a bold new personal vision and release any self doubt or any outdated roles that you were playing so far. Cancer. The new moon encourages you to reflect and change any rigid behavior related to your health or your work style. This is the time to cleanse your emotional and mental space. Your intuition is very high during this time, and do listen to it for any challenges that you face. Spending time alone with nature and reflect will help, but avoid any overthinking or replaying your regrets of past. It is the time to bring discipline in your life. Leo, this is the time to reevaluate your friendships, your goals, and your social ties. Do invest your time in sharpening your skills. You may join a new group with clear vision or a new mission, but it may involve letting go of your past network or any ego based role that you were playing so far. You can connect with like minded people, set a fresh purpose for your future direction, and let go of any toxic groups and friends that you were involved so far. Virgo, your career or your public role is shifting with this new moon. You may feel a little pressured to make your mark, but also to transform how you are seen in the society. This new moon gives you clarity, but also asks you to loosen your grip on control. Look for your comfort and peace of mind with your family. This is the best time to upgrade your resume, your online presence, or professional goals, and have an honest talk with a mentor, your boss, or any friend or any wise people that you trust. Libra, you are being drawn to expand your world mentally, spiritually, or even physically. A new opportunity related to travel or learning something new can show up with this new moon. But it may require letting go of your rigid beliefs and your comfort zone also. Explore a new path of learning, reflect, and stay open to what's unfamiliar, but it is enriching for you. In any case, keep up with your stamina and start afresh somewhere. Scorpio, this is a deeply emotional and transformative time with your own self, your family, and your finances. You may need to face something that you have buried, especially around your hidden fears and your trust issues. Jupiter does give hope here, but Pluto brings depth also. This is the best time to release, address your hidden fears or any unspoken issues, and create a plan to manage everything strongly. Sagittarius, relationships are under the spotlight with this new moon. Whether romantic or professional, it is the time to clarify where you stand in that. Personally, can be a new connection or a reset may occur within your relationships, but be honest about your own needs. Communicate clearly but gently. Reflect on how much you give versus you receive, and be willing to change wherever it is needed within your relationship patterns. Capricorn, your routine, your health, and your work habits may need a restart, may need some changes. You are being pushed to see how you use your time and energy. There may be pressure also, but also clarity. Trust your hidden skills. Start a new wellness plan. Make some new routine or work style and notice where you control and your control habits are draining you. Resolve that and you will be good. Aquarius, your creative self needs to breathe in open now and let everyone know your talents. This is the time to share now. Whether it's a passion project, some romantic energy, or your inner child expression, start exposing and heal any wound that keeps you away from joy. Say yes to fun, inspiration, or a new romance. Heal your blocks or your confidence issues and start something very expressive, even if it is imperfect at times. Pisces, home, family, and your emotional foundation, along with your work zone, is shifting with this new moon. You may feel a need to reconnect with your roots or change your environment. Old emotional patterns could come up to be cleared and reflect on how and what you want in your home, in your space that you live. Reorganize your home, your comfort, and set emotional boundaries if there is a need. That was all about the impact on all the zodiac signs. And to summarize, this is the time of mental, emotional cleansing, not just surface level change. Let go of what no longer aligns with your truth. Use your voice wisely and give yourself permission to start anew with clarity, courage, and care here. Remember, the storm clears the path also. You may feel stirred emotionally or mentally, but this is a part of greater release. Trust what is leaving you, welcome what is arriving, and speak your truth with kindness and clarity. Let this be the time when you can align with your thoughts, your words, and your vision with the person who you are becoming with all these changes. That was all about Adra New Moon. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with this new moon. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.